Hey guys, they're doing the roof next to me. I'm standing here with Mitch from Ketron Roofing. I noticed that they were doing what you should be doing and not just shingling over a bad spot. They were replacing the plywood. They work pretty fast, and as far as I know, they're one of the higher quality roofing jobs or roofing companies that you could have. Mitch, what would you have anybody know about your company?
Well, I just always say look at reviews online, search us up on Google, and check out our website at cdaroof.com.
How'd you get that name? That's a great name.
I spotted on that one for a while.
Yes, you did. Okay, that's all. I'm going to take a few pictures of the roof and post it. Thank you. So Mitch just told me something interesting about how you can get an estimate by just going to his website. Say it again, Mitch.
Yeah, so if you just go to cdaroof.com and then go to the web page, what's my roof cost? Just type in your address, give us your contact info, and it'll measure up your roof instantly and give you quotes for different options right there on the spot. It takes less than 60 seconds. Satellite imagery to measure your roof. Use some AI to kind of figure out how big it is. And then we've got all our pricing plugged in there. So it will measure up, take my pricing, and give you options for how much shingles will cost, how much metal will cost. Give you a pretty good ballpark estimate.
Very cool. All right, I just wanted to add that in there because I thought that was pretty cool.